Good evening, sir. This is Mohammad Suhailuddin speaking from NSUI National Students Union of India, District General Secretary. Sir, I would like to have your 5 minutes of time, sir. I would like to talk to you for 5 minutes, sir. Can I talk? Yeah, sir. Coming to the students' issue, sir, as you have seen from past 3 to 4 months, all students in Telangana are really worried, sir. No. Yes, sir. Sir, we respect you. We respect our CM also, everyone. But it is depend on your hand, sir, because we have heard many things about CM, sir. That if you represent him in a good way about the students, definitely he is going to accept it. Sir, as you are saying, sir, Delhi, sir, 1 minute, sir, let me tell you, Delhi has accepted. Even in West Bengal, they are writing a letter and even they will accept. And in Punjab, everywhere, sir. Because in Delhi, yeah, sir, tell me. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Hello?
First, you go through the paper and you have to take what the situation is going on in India. What
Sir,
is the kind of
I have seen every paper.
You are India, this is a political view and not political things. That is a different issue.
Yeah.
But indeed, what the UC is thinking, what the social charity and what is the time. Central government is fine for the restaurant there. Whether that is a decision you like it or I like it or and we are not against students and we are not conducting them because the UEC has given a clear cut instructions and today also they gave the interview to the paper and the
Sir, UGC guidelines is not compulsory, it is just advisory.
That is not.
It is advisory. If you are talking about UGC guidelines, there are more certain rules, sir, which universities are not following it. They are neglecting it. Even that issues may be raised. Coming to students issue, yeah, sir.
Whenever there is a problem, if the UEC, not only UEC, there are other ethics bodies out there. Suppose AICT is there. If the AICT has not recognized the university degree, that will not be for the students. Hello?
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Take the example of the PCI, Bar Council of India. Bar Council of India doesn't accept any degree that is not in validity in the market. Likewise, every ethics body is there. UCD is for the school education.
Sir, yes, sir. Everything we are accepting and we are obeying your board.
Accepting, no problem. This is a problem. We are not realizing because of you may have taken your vote party line and that is mandatory. This is recommendatory. That is voluntary. We never think about it.
Yes.
The higher education is under the concurrent list. I have been in this higher education for past 40 years.
Yes, sir.
Wherever the school are class between the state and center, you go and ask any leading higher capital. The central, the state will prevail over the state.
Okay. Sir,
that is a problem, and that is why.
Sir, I am not saying you against anything about university. I am just saying you people give a good representation to CM. Definitely he will accept it, sir. 100% he will accept.
No. That is not the.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
It is not in the hands of the state or not in the hands of the CM or for this matter, not in the hands of the state. Now state government has no absolute authority over the higher education. Up to provided that whatever the government of the state, it has its own.
Then how come in Delhi they accepted it, sir?
That is a controversy. That is why you have to better. That is why you are the sub-president or secretary of WCMC. That is why you have to collect all information.
Yes, sir, I am collecting, sir. We respect you, sir. I am saying you, I respect you. Coming to, no, sir, even your post is temporary, sir. We don't want anything negative in with your, sir. Everyone is temporary. Today you are the department chairman. Tomorrow some other one will be appointed. But you should be these students should, whenever any student meet you or anything, they should have a good feeling toward you.
Now your Congress ruled 50 years. Now they are in opposition. BJP.
Sir, I am not doing any politics, nor I am saying. For my introduction, I am saying you, sir. I'm just saying you, sir. Your post is temporary, because you should not be reflected in a negative person, sir. You are a good person. We respect you. You should presented in a very positive person, because students are getting a negative intention towards you, sir. I have seen that personally. Students everywhere are getting a negative. Why it doesn't matter, sir?
Doesn't matter.
Okay, sir.
Doesn't matter for me, because
Sir.
I am thinking the interest of the students. Which way is the better? I know.
Yes, sir. Sir, one thing I want to tell: if your own children are writing exam, what decision you would take? You do in that way, sir. But please think about the students, sir, because in students' family, 30 to 40% student families are infected now. That news are not out.
Except some very few students.
Yes, sir.
Most of them are receiving most of the
Yes, sir.
students and the parents, they are ready to write the exams.
Sir,
Right.
we have. If you want, I have personal reports of parents, students, and everyone, sir. Okay, sir, I am not saying you anything. If your children would going to write exam, what decision you would take? You decide in a good way, and please represent near CM in a good way, sir. That's it. Nothing else. Sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Listen to me.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
You are not getting lecture.
Okay, tell me, sir. From that time I was listening. Now tell me, sir.
You want to give the lecture? Okay.
No, sir. I have just a 2-3 suggestions. I have suggested you. Okay, sir. You tell me. Okay, tell me, sir. Tell me, sir.
Now the issue is, that is why they got to go and purchase the issue paper of.
I'm not asking about the Hindu paper, sir. You just now said me about you will tell something. You please tell me what you are going to tell me.
Why you are arguing? Whatever you are talking is already reported in the paper.
Thank you.
Next